girl Denise from Stylist. Do you guys want to see what people are wearing at London Fashion Week? Guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you guys what people are wearing in the streets of London. If you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button, like and leave a positive comment. Right guys, what's your name quickly?
My name is Sweetie, originally from Ghana.
You are so stunning. You look beautiful. I love what you've got on.
Thank you.
Where is it from?
I got this online on Alibaba.
Okay, beautiful.
As well as the sunglasses.
The hat is off the hook.
And then same thing with the hat.
Beautiful.
And then jeans are Zara, boots are Zara, and then the bag is Zara, as well as the stuff.
You look so stunning. Are you a model? Yes, you are.
Yeah.
You are a model. And what else do you do?
That's all.
No, you do modelling, you do everything. Your influence, you are beautiful, darling.
Thank you.
You smashed it today. Thank you so much. Stunning. Just tell me quickly, 1 minute, what you're wearing.
I'm wearing a pink coat. Well, this is from a charity shop. This is from Shein. My trousers are from Jaded. My earrings are from Topshop. My necklaces are from a charity shop, and these are from Primark.
What about your shirt? Where's your shirt by?
It's from eBay.
You look stunning. I just want to ask you quickly, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing me.
You're wearing you? Where's this jacket by? Tell me.
It's actually no boo.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
you look dope.
Thank you very much. The hat, I just picked it yesterday. I was like,
well, you know what?
I gotta do it.
Killed it. Where are you from? What country?
I'm from Nigeria.
Is it? So, I'm from here.
Okay.
My family's Jamaican.
Okay.
So what do you do? What do you do?
I'm a rapper. I'm a tech guy. I'm a great person.
I love that. You hear that, guys? Rapper, tech guy, we need them, and a great person.
That's
hey,
it.
I love
Easy
that.
work.
Can you tell me quickly what you're wearing?
Hi, so I'm wearing Japanese Aori vintage and a vintage coat.
Okay.
And latex accessories from my brand, the Lotus Couture.
Oh God, sorry about that. You look amazing. Thank you. Innit? Look at her face. She's like, she looks so good. Can you tell me what you're wearing? You're so beautiful. Look at you. You are chocolate.
Thank you.
Are you a model?
I am, yes.
What agency are you with?
I'm with Body London.
You are so stunning.
Thank you.
What are you wearing? What's this coat by?
It's Shein, actually.
Do you know what I love about it? I just love the different shades of
Thank
the
you.
browns.
Brown is my thing for right now. It's neutral. It all goes together. Packing it on.
So
and an animal print is
Are
great.
you American?
I am from Texas.
So where are you based? In London or?
No, in LA. I'm just in town for Fashion Week for a while.
Oh my God, you are so crisp. You're the type of model that I need in my portfolio now.
Oh, thank
I need your
you.
details. Oh
Yeah, I'll give them to you for sure.
My name is Denise Brown. I'm a freelance fashion stylist, and today I'm asking people what are they wearing. So I want to start with you, gorgeous. What's your name?
I'm Kate.
Kate, I'm loving that Vivienne Westwood necklace.
Thank you.
I'm just looking at it. It's stunning.
Thank you.
Is that a classic?
I don't know. My dad got it for me.
It is nice. Keep that. That's a classic. That's going to be worth a lot of money. Tell me which your jacket by.
It's Skinny Dip.
Skinny Dip
Yeah.
and them shoes because I'm loving them on the
It's
Instagram.
Dr. Martens.
Dr. Martens.
Yeah.
They are so cute.
Yeah.
I'm loving. So what would you call your look today? Give it a name.
I don't know. It's Valentine's Day. So
Yeah, I forgot it's Valentine's Day. So it's the hearts and everything.
So I put my hearts
yeah,
on.
representing Valentine's. Tell me about you, gorgeous.
Okay, this jacket is H&M.
Okay.
About 3 years ago, actually.
That's amazing.
Bringing it back.
You, innit?
And the boots are Primark.
Okay, I love where you from.
Wales.
Oh, I love that accent.
Thank you.
Jeans?
Topshop. Catch them a bit. Vivienne Westwood.
Gorgeous. Sorry, can I interrupt this conversation? I just want to talk about your outfit.
Okay.
This is the bomb thing, like. Look at this dress.
Thank you.
Where's this dress by?
It's by Age. It's an Australian brand.
Listen, you smashed it.
Thank
Like,
you
you are
so
the best
much.
dresser of the day, darling. You look beautiful.
I love your enthusiasm.
No, I'm actually being serious. I love this
thank
dress.
you.
I love the sleeves is me. I'm big, in your face, powerful, the pleats, the
Taking over,
colour.
yeah.
You smashed it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Can I borrow you from you? Yeah, sure. It's not actually what you're wearing. I love what you're wearing. Come, Steph, look. This girl looks good. Sorry, what's your name anyway?
Tanya.
I love your lips. They're gorgeous. I'm not sure we talking about your lips today, but you look stunning.
Thank
Can
you.
you tell me what you're wearing?
This is actually a sustainable brand called Varana. It's
Okay.
Indian origins, but they're based in UK.
Okay.
That's also sustainable. Wear, you know, so because I've been sustainable. Yes, I am plant-based. I don't like to call vegan, I'm plant-based.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is Theory. I don't know pants, I don't remember the
You look gorgeous.
And this is Dior glasses.
You look lunch now. Okay, before you go for lunch, let me just ask you quickly, what are you wearing? You.
Oh, me?
And you afterwards. Okay, Sue. What is it? What is it by?
River Island.
You look gorgeous. Trainers?
It is a French brand called Bobby Blouse.
Okay, you look amazing. And tell me about, do you know what I love about you two? Your colours. It's like boom. We know it's like wintry, but you know, like, F it, I'm in the summer. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm wearing my bright colours. Yeah, I love it. You look gorgeous. Tell me about your colour.
River Island again, and the dress and the boots.
You look fantastic. Thank you. You look stunning. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing Story. I'm actually New Rock shoes.
New Rock.
Yeah. MYOB bag.
And the tights.
Tights. Dude, I can't remember her name. She's this girl from Spain.
What about your dope glasses? It's the glasses that's killing it right now.
They're Christiana Jones, I think.
You look amazing. See, look at everybody just crowding you. You smashed it. What do you do? Oh, is it? What kind of music? Guys, take out your Instagram and follow her right now.
Yeah, follow her.
Yeah, and I like her friend. I like you. You're so sweet. I love your smile. You're so gorgeous. Why?
Zara.
You look gorgeous. I love it. You know what I love about you? Classic lady, but it's the blouse. It's like pop in your face.
You're doing a good job.
Thank you. And so are you. I just want to ask you, Juliet, what are you wearing?
Coats from Zara Bell.
Okay, look at this stunning girl. Gorgeous. I'm like, woo! Girl, where's your bag by?
Furla.
You look gorgeous.
Miu Miu boots.
Beautiful.
Havana. Nice to meet you. I'm sorry, I'm not from London. I'm not
where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
Oh my God, you are stunning.
But my mom is Cuban, so
You are
Havana.
gorgeous. So can you just
you
tell me
very
what you're
much.
wearing? Where's this jacket by?
It's from Weekday, actually.
What's it called?
Weekday.
Weekday. Huh?
Yeah, but you have like to stay maybe 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, just looking for everything.
Oh, so you gotta have the eyes. But you know what? Even if it took you an hour and a half, you smashed it. It's a trousers.
Thank you.
It's a trousers by the same company.
Yeah, the same.
What about your roll neck?
And this is from Zara, I think. And this my friends like give to me. So
Now you look
Hello.
stunning. You're gonna get a lot of pictures today.
yeah, no, actually.
I know you'll probably not be able to move. Right, thank you so much.
No, it was lovely to meet you. Have a nice
And you
day.
as well. Bye.
What I'm wearing, so
Yeah.
leather pants,
Where are they from?
leather jackets.
So what's the brand, designer name?
Oh, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
It doesn't matter because you just look stunning. Whatever it is,
Thank you.
You killed it.
Thank you.
All right then. Where are you from anyway?
Switzerland, Geneva.
Okay. Gorgeous. Are you model?
Yes, I'm model.
Yeah. All right. Have a good day. Can you tell me what are you wearing?
I'm wearing an ASOS coat, Charles and Keith bag. My DR Martens I've had forever.
How long have you had them for? You look amazing. This colour is bad.
Thank
look
you, it's only
crisp.
ASOS.
It doesn't matter who it is, who's wearing it and how you drop it. It could have been Primark, do you know what I mean? You look stunning. Thank you. Excuse me, before you walk away, can you tell me what you're wearing? Because you look stunning.
What I'm wearing, are these my own trousers and my own earrings?
Oh, so you're a designer. I need, what's your name? What's your
Laura
brand?
Shannon.
Laura Shannon. Coat? Is your coat?
Oh no, this is ASOS Daisy Street.
What about the top?
Top Zara actually.
You look beautiful.
Oh,
Laura,
thank
can I get
you.
your business card, please?
You can, yeah.
Can I ask you a quick question? What's your name first of all?
Hakeem.
Hakeem, where are you from?
France.
What are you wearing? Start from the suit.
This is all ASOS. You know.
All of it ASOS, it doesn't matter because my jacket's from ASOS. You look gorgeous. You smashed it. What are you wearing?
Jaded.
Is it all Jaded?
Yeah, all Jaded.
Are you model?
No.
What do you do?
Like influencer, but art director.
You are so cute. I'm going to split this conversation. Can you tell me, no, don't even, what are you wearing?
Pretty little thing.
You look
Little mix collection.
wicked. You look so cute in it. And tell me about you. I saw you on the train. I really wanted to say excuse me, but you look what the what's going on with this woman? Can you tell me about really what you're wearing? Your jacket.
ASOS jacket,
Yeah.
ASOS bag,
Wicked.
old school Fila trainers,
Oh,
£6 Primark combat.
wicked. You look so good. And I love, yeah, you lot's been getting a lot of attention today. You look stunning. Wow. Oh my gosh. What's the jacket by? Remember?
No remember. No remember.
Whatever it is, you look amazing.
I don't speak English.
Oh, but whatever, gorgeous. Look at these. So what is this? The sexy girl crew. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. What lady? Oh my god. Purple. What are you wearing?
Thank you. Sorry?
What are you wearing? Where's it from?
I don't know.
We do.
Non sei dove c'è?
She brought
Charity.
Beauty. What about you?
I'm wearing Chickwish and X White London squad.
Tell me about your jumpsuit.
Chickwish.
Chickwish. Yeah. Oh, sorry, where's that from?
X White London squad.
XY London. And then you?
I'm wearing Zara and London High shoes.
Do you know what? I love this gang. What's your name, crew?
My name is Nicola Martini.
Tie.
Oh, I believe it. If you lot could sing it, I'm
wearing a Ralph Lauren. And I think this is a, I don't know, warehouse coat or...
What about your shirt?
Everything is Ralph Lauren.
You all look stunning. And can you tell me about you?
ASOS, full ASOS.
And then shoes?
Shoes are from Pink Cove.
You look. And then you over here?
ASOS and charity shops.
And then what about the shoes? Sorry?
Nasty girl.
Nasty girl. Hey, nasty girl. With the hat.
This is vintage.
Glasses.
Glasses, I design it. Yeah, I custom it. Yeah.
And your top?
Okay. Okay, my dress is vintage, and this my skirt is from H&M, and this is from Juicy Judy.
You look amazing. We saw you from down there. We're like, we need to get hold of her. You look so good. I love it. Thank you. Bye. Wearing, can you tell me what this jacket is from?
They're both from by Ouya. Jacket and the dress.
And what's underneath here? Oh my god.
Oh, that's just a waist belt that I've turned into a garter.
Where's your boot?
They're from where are they from? Bershka.
And what about you?
I'm wearing head to toe ASOS. The bag is from Ouya, and the shoes are Dr. Martens.
You guys look so crisp. I love
so
it.
much.
Thank
Good
you
to
guys
see
so
you.
much. And you as well. Give me a hug. Right guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed it today. Leave a comment on your favorite outfit and tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and leave a positive comment.